Ooh.
One, two, three, go!
We're back out here. It's another day. We're back out working on the Cobra. I'm just adding this into this video. Got the race car behind me. You guys have not seen this in a while. This old girl. I'm actually getting the fuel drained out of it because it's all methanol, and she's still draining down there and getting all the maintenance stuff done on this while we're working on the Cobra. I'm a redneck, so just ignore my engineering that I've done right here. I had to hang the transmission somehow so I could paint it, because I love the raw finish of these transmissions and motors and stuff, but for like me, I hate seeing like fluids and dirt, grime and stuff. So if I can paint anything black, it's gonna get painted black on the bottom side of the car. So I'm painting the transmission black. So yeah, I have my 4-post lift here, and I just kind of hung the transmission. I mean, she ain't going nowhere. So I've got a coat of paint on her right now, like a light coat, you can see. So we're getting the paint all on there, and then get this thing all painted up, and then I got to get the intercooler brick all prepped, and get the silicone off where I sealed it last. Also, dummy me let some thinner. Let's see. Come on, you can do it. Dummy me let some paint remover go on the blower, so it took the clear off. So you can really see it on this piece. Yep. So I'm gonna take the blower back to my, which it's already got some like nicks and scratches and stuff when I've removed it a couple times, but we're gonna take the blower to my body shop man and let him get it all painted up, get it all looking pretty again. So she'll be all nice and clean. God, this yellow does not want to pick up on camera, but so she'll be looking all nice and good to go back on the car. I can't live without that. I'm too OCD with my car. So that's where we're at. I'm getting transmission painted and all this done, and then that'll be that. But I don't know, I can't remember. It's been a minute since I filmed last, so I can't remember if I showed you guys, but let's see. The long tubes are on, and they look really, really good. I was gonna put the rest of the accessories on, but I need an AC compressor to run the back, to be able to put the back accessories on, back belt on. So waiting on to get an AC kit in, because my AC compressor's been leaking on my cover for a while. So I'm just gonna put all new lines and everything on it, so it'll be all good to go. So I'm gonna sit y'all guys down and get this transmission painted. She ain't perfect, but I mean, she look good. I ain't even gonna lie, and it's gonna look so good under the yellow, this car, I think. So let it dry, and then we'll clear it. All right, so it's probably been about 3 or 4 days since I picked up the camera. Last one was painting the transmission, but I got the transmission all painted. Ooh, I got the transmission all painted, and it looks really good. I'm gonna spin around and show it to you real quick. So the transmission looks really, really good. I thoroughly love the black. The black's gonna look so good under the car, and it's not gonna show all the like grease and crud that gets under any kind of car. So that's all taken care of. But right now I'm gonna show you some stuff that I never have really shown on camera. We're not racing the race car. We're actually taking it to a car show tomorrow. Funny story, taking my race car to a car show. Yeah, if you I'll post that video sometime soon, probably add it in the next video. But we're taking my race car to a car show, and my camera died.
2,000 years later.
I'm going to show you what all it takes to start this pump and jump and get it running and pull it out and, you know, get a walk around video of it running and all that. But let's get this thing running. Alright, so battery's charged, fuel should be pushed up to the bowls, so let's hop in this thing. Oh, maybe my hood won't fall off the roof. Alright. You don't need water pump. Ignition. Give the carburetor a few pumps. Oops. A few more pumps. Nope. Hang on. We're gonna have to give it some in the bowl. Alright, let's try it now. Negative. Hang on. So this is what we done. Alright, so I got it running. I had to put the camera down because I had to push the start button here and control the throttle and get it running. But she's running now, and she's pissed off because she ain't been racing.